dad always ended his emails with the words, "To live is Christ, to die is gain." At the time, I used to read that as just something he liked to say, a reminder of his faith. Now I understand it in a deeper way. It was how he lived, how he loved, and how he prepared all of us for moments like this. My dad was always looking out for us. He could see what we needed even before we did. When we hesitated to build our house, he asked, "What are you waiting for? I want to see your home before I die." And I'm so thankful that he did just this year. That was my dad, always thinking of us first, always wanting us safe, grounded, and taken care of. To the world, he was the founder of CFC, now MFC, a leader who shaped a community, touched countless lives, guided families, and made a real difference. His work wasn't just an achievement, it was a legacy of faith, service, and love that continues to ripple far beyond what he ever claimed credit for. But to me and to us, he was simply our dad, our moral compass, the one we went to when we wanted the right advice, the one who taught us right from wrong, who watched over us and who made sure we were always taken care of. Some people might think growing up in such a deeply Catholic home was strict or unusual, but looking back now, I realize it shaped me into who I am today. And for that, I thank him and my mom with all my heart. We were also blessed to have those years when we lived with them, seeing Dad every day and watching our kids grow up with him. I'm so thankful that he had those years and moments with my kids. Dad, we miss you so much, but I find comfort knowing you're no longer in pain. I imagine you now flying free and exploring the world, just as you used to say, that in death you could go up to the stars, to the farthest and tallest mountains, and to the ends of the earth. And as we all know, you always loved a good, sometimes dangerous adventure. I know you're now reunited with your own parents, your brothers, with your grandson Giovanni, and most of all with God, the one you dedicated your entire life to. And you made it there in time for Christmas. What a beautiful time to be in heaven to celebrate. Thank you, Dad, for everything you gave us, everything you taught us, and everything you left behind in our hearts. Your life was Christ, and now your gain is eternity. Thank you so much to everyone who has been with us these past days. Even during the holidays, you are here for us, and it truly means so much to me and our family. It is deeply humbling to see how many people and how many lives he touched throughout his life. Our hearts are so full. I love you so much, Dad, and thank you.